How to fix Instagram not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, you can also switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Now, launch the App Store application on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Instagram. Here, make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version for the app to work smoothly. And if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, navigate to Instagram and tap on it, and further tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Doing this will clear the cache in the application. And if the issue persists, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Instagram application and you will see the remove app option. Tap on remove app option and then tap on delete app and then tap on delete. Now open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram again and reinstall the app and further launch the app and your Instagram should be working just fine by now. So this is how you can fix Instagram not working on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.